Okay, now class is going. Okay, let's watch a video. At first, look. This is the combustion of alcohol, burning alcohol with oxygen. This is the combustion reaction. This is the reaction between magnesium and oxygen. From magnesium oxide, magnesium and oxygen and reactant, and magnesium oxide is product. The rust formation after 2 years later. So can you say which reaction was fast reaction, magnesium oxide or rusting formation? Okay, the reaction is fast, magnesium oxide. Okay, this in a reaction, reactant are being used. Reactants are used and product are formed. And a rate of reaction means how fast the reactant are being used or how fast the product are being formed. This is the rate of reaction. How fast the rate of reactants are being used. Reactant are being used. You know the reactant being used, and product are how fast the product are formed is the rate of reaction. Rate of reaction is expressed by quantity of product formed by time taken. কার এটা একটু ইয়ারফোনটা দূরে সরে রাখো rate of reaction quantity of reactant used time taken. So rate of reaction can be expressed two way. Rate of reaction can be expressed two way. Rate of কারে সাউন্ড করে rate of reaction. You know this reactant and product. Rate of reaction. Do you know the what is like magnesium and magnesium when react with HCl, when metal react with acid form salt and hydrogen gas. Salt and hydrogen gas like magnesium, chloride and hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas is formed. Okay, now I should balance the reaction. Here chlorine is 2, I should give here 2. So chlorine balanced, hydrogen balanced. Okay, this is the reaction balanced. You know these are reactants. Which are reactants? Which reactants are in this reaction? Which substance are reactants? Hello student, are you listening? Reactants are left hand side, substance which participate in the reaction. Which are reactants? Hello, which substance are reactants? We don't know, sir. Yeah, I given sign here. This left hand side, this substance participants কার শব্দ এরে বের করে দিব এখন। কিন্তু আমি দেখতেছি, আমি এখন ক্লাসে ঢুকতেছি, আর যে শব্দ করতেছে বের করে দিব। এখন দেখো আমি ক্লাসে ঢুকতেছি, দেখিও, খেয়াল করি। ওকে, আচ্ছা রিঅ্যাকট্যান্টস কোনগুলো? Reactants এইগুলো এই যে magnesium and hydrochloric acid are reactants. Substance which participate in the reaction, they are reactants. Magnesium, magnesium and hydrochloric acid are reactants. Magnesium chloride and hydrogen gas are product. Have you seen? Okay, I have joined this class. Products: magnesium chloride and hydrogen gas are products. I have already joined here. uh, magnesium uh, Magnesium and hydrogen chlorides reactants. Magnesium chloride and hydrogen are products. Reactants are used, product are formed. Okay, product are formed. So rate of reaction is, I have given the reaction quantity of reactants used per unit time is called rate of reaction, or quantity of product is formed per unit time is called rate of reaction. Rate of reaction can be write two way. You know this, the if the reactant, we write quantity of, if the rate of reaction for reactant, quantity of reactant used per unit time, or rate of reaction quantity of product formed per unit time. Okay, I am giving a reaction, writing a question. You solve the problem, this problem. Solve this problem. 180 120 cubic centimeter hydrogen gas is formed in 1 minute. In 1 minute, a minute in a reaction. Okay, in a reaction, calculate rate of reaction. Okay, what will be rate of reaction? Okay, yes. I am listening. I don't know. This is, I think, no. As this pandemic is increasing, still not changing. But I think it will may open in September. Okay, I think it is my assumption. Okay, what is the rate of reaction? What will be? We know rate of reaction equal to, this is my thinking, rate of reaction equal to key. What is the equation? Rate of reaction. Hello, what is the equation? Rate of reaction above. Quantity of product formed divided by time taken. It is product formed or reactant used. Hydrogen gas is formed, so quantity of hydrogen gas is formed is 120 cubic centimeter. Time is 1 minute. 1 minute, I will write 60 seconds. 60 second. So rate of reaction is 2 cubic centimeter per second. Okay, this is the equal to. Okay, this finished reaction. Have you written this question answer? 2 cubic centimeter per second. Have you student, are you listening me? Have you written this question answer? Okay, now next question. I am going to next topics. Okay, let's watch another video. Yes. Huh? Assignment? Which assignment? আজকেরটা আচ্ছা পরে দেখবো না আমরা একটু বেশি করে টাইম দিয়ে দেখব না ওকে ওয়েট না okay, watch this video, another video. Okay, this is zinc and sulfuric acid. Reactants are zinc and sulfuric acid, and zinc sulfate and hydrogen gas is also formed. Look, hydrogen gas. Are you watching? This is the gas, hydrogen gas. This bubble. This bubble is formed. Some. This is the hydrogen gas. Okay, hydrogen gas and zinc sulfate is product. Okay, in this reaction we have seen zinc, when zinc react with sulfuric acid from zinc sulfate and hydrogen gas. This is bubble around this we have seen. Okay, this is the reaction. This reaction, what are products? Zinc and reactants are what is this? Zinc and sulfuric acid. Product are zinc sulfate and hydrogen. Zinc sulfate and hydrogen. Okay, you have a question. Write a word equation for the above reaction. Say a word. Write a word equation for the above reaction. Say. What is the word equation for the above reaction? Hello? Hey. Word equation, what is this? This is zinc. You write zinc, J-I-N-C, zinc. Plus, then this one. This one is sulfuric acid. Okay? Then you write arrow sign. Then this is a zinc sulfate. Okay? Then you give plus sign. Then hydrogen. This is the word equation. Look, this is word equation. Okay? Zinc plus sulfuric acid, arrow sign, zinc sulfate plus hydrogen. This is plus, you should give plus sign. What is this? Why there is no plus sign? Okay. Okay, right word equation for the above reaction is zinc plus sulfuric acid, arrow sign, zinc sulfate plus hydrogen. Okay, you could measure the rate of above reaction by measuring either. Here zinc is formed or used. Zinc is used or formed. Can you say? Zinc is used or formed. Zinc is zinc. These are reactants. Zinc and sulfuric acid is reactants. Reactants are used. zinc sulfate and hydrogen are product, they are formed. uh, so zinc, so I can write zinc sulfate is Fabi. I am finding sound from you. I am finding sound from you. Okay. Okay, this can be written the amount of zinc used amount of zinc used per unit per minute, uh, per minute. হুম এখন তুমি কথা বলতেছো তো আমি দেখতেছি। তুমি মিউট করে রাখো। আচ্ছা মিউট করে রাখো, তুমি মিউট করে রাখো। আচ্ছা ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ। জারিফ কই? জারিফের তো তা মিউট করা তো। আচ্ছা দেখো, এইখানে লেখা যাবে দ্য অ্যামাউন্ট অফ জিঙ্ক ইজ ইউজড আপ। জিঙ্ক because zinc is reactant, so used, so amount of zinc used up per minute, or this can be written amount of sulfuric acid used up per minute, or the amount of zinc sulfate is produced per minute. This is the reactant product, so produced, or this can be written the amount of hydrogen produced per minute. Okay, if product will use produced, if reactant will use used up, so this reaction can be okay. This graph this the if the reactant mass of reactant at first mass of reactant substance which participate at the reaction beginning of the reaction, reactants are high. Reactants are high at the beginning. When time increases, reactant decreases. The product at the beginning product is small, and time increases, product are increases. So what is the graph for? If time versus graph, this is the graph. Reactant at the beginning কম থাকে না বেশি থাকে? At the beginning reactant substance which participate in the reaction, reactant বেশি থাকে না product থাকে beginning এ বেশি? at the reaction beginning reactant থাকে বেশি আর product থাকে জিরো, কিছুই থাকে না। product থাকে না কিছুই, reactant থাকে। তো at the beginning এ যদি আমি reactants দেই এখানে, সরি আমি যদি এখানে রিঅ্যাকট্যান্টস দেই, রিঅ্যাকট্যান্টস এটা দেখা যায় না খাড়া করে, রিঅ্যাকট্যান্টস ওকে দত্তরে। আচ্ছা আমি এরকম এখানে রেখে দিই। হ্যাঁ, রিঅ্যাকট্যান্টস রিঅ্যাকট্যান্টস থাকে বেশি না, এট দ্য বিগিনিং এর রিঅ্যাকট্যান্টস থাকে বেশি। আচ্ছা তারপর এখানে দেই টাইম। দেখো টাইম এদিকে বাড়তেছে, টাইম এদিকে বাড়ছে। রিঅ্যাকট্যান্ট থাকে এট দ্য বিগিনিং এ কি কম না বেশি? হ্যালো স্টুডেন্টস, এট দ্য রিঅ্যাকশন বিগিনিং এ রিঅ্যাকট্যান্ট থাকে বেশি, যত টাইম বাড়তে থাকে রিঅ্যাকট্যান্টস কমতে থাকে, আর টাইম বাড়ার সাথে সাথে রিঅ্যাকট্যান্টস কমতে থাকে। ওকে, টাইম বাড়ার সাথে সাথে কি হয়, যত এট দ্য বিগিনিং রিঅ্যাকট্যান্টস থাকে বেশি, যত টাইম বাড়ে রিঅ্যাকট্যান্ট তত কমে, যত টাইম বাড়ে রিঅ্যাকট্যান্ট তত কমে। ওকে, আচ্ছা আবার যদি রিঅ্যাকশনটা এরকম হয়, এখানে কি গ্রাফটা যদি কার্ভটা যদি দ্যাট এখানে যদি রিঅ্যাকট্যান্ট হয়, প্রোডাক্ট যদি হয়, প্রোডাক্ট যদি হয়, আর এখানে যদি টাইম দেওয়া থাকে, টাইম দেওয়া থাকে, এট দ্য বিগিনিং এ প্রোডাক্ট কি থাকে, প্রোডাক্ট একদম শূন্য থাকে, একদম কম থাকে। আর যত টাইম বাড়তে থাকে প্রোডাক্টও বাড়তে থাকে, যত টাইম বাড়ে তত প্রোডাক্ট বাড়তে থাকে, এরকম হয়। ওটা গ্রাফ। প্রোডাক্ট থাকলে এরকম হবে আর রিঅ্যাকট্যান্ট থাকলে এরকম হবে। ওকে, this the time versus product or reactant versus time. These two graph. Now these things look. Okay, this is product time. So when at the beginning product was 0, when time increases product decreases. At final time not product is formed, product formation is same because reactant finished. Look at the beginning, this is a very fastest curve is steepest, curve is steepest, then curve less steep, now curve flat, at the finally curve flat. At the beginning curve is steepest, at the beginning curve is steepest, then curve less steep, finally curve flat, because at the beginning reaction fastest, at the moderately reaction slower, curve less steep as reaction slower, curve flat reaction over finished, because in this position of this is fab is not, this is Hoover. Sound everyone. Okay, at the beginning curve steepest because reaction is fastest, then curve become less steep because reaction slower, finally curve become flat because reaction of our reactant has finished. That okay, at the beginning this curve, this is steepest, then it become less steep, finally it become straight line, or it is steepest, then less steps, then it's become are you listening me? Hello students. Okay, this is look at the beginning curve is steepest because reaction is fastest, then curve become less steep because reaction becomes slower, reactance decreases, finally curve become flat because reactant finish, there is no reactant for reaction. Okay, at the beginning of the reaction curve is very steep, at the beginning very steep, then curve become less steep, finally it become flat. Okay, this is the reaction at the beginning, this is the time, the reactant time. Okay, at the beginning reaction is very fast, this product. Okay, at the beginning reaction is very fast and then become slower and finally become curve is steepest, then become less steep. Okay, let's watch another video. Some factor affecting rate of reaction. Some factor affect on the rate of reaction. Which things affect rate of reaction? Now we see. What is rate of reaction? Rate of reaction is at which chemical reaction? Oh, this is a slow reaction. Tortoise running. Look, chemical reaction occur. জারিফ তুমি এটারে বন্ধ করে রাখো, মিউট করো। Activation energy, minimum amount of energy needed for the reaction. This is the activation energy. Temperature, catalyst, concentration. Okay, factor affecting rate of reaction. देखो, which factor affect the rate of reaction? Concentration of the reactants. Concentration of reactants, temperature, particle size, presence of catalyst. How many factors? There are 4 factors which affect on rate of reaction. First one is concentration of reactants, second one is temperature, third one is particle size, fourth one is জারিফ তোমার এটা সুইচ অফ করে রাখো না কেন? ও মিউট করে রাখো, আর নয় আমি দিচ্ছি তোমারে সিস্টেম করে, দেখো ওয়েট করো, তোমারে একটা সিস্টেম করে একদমই রিমুভ করে দেব। Okay, there are how many factors? Slow reaction, fast reaction. This is the activation energy. Minimum energy of needed for the reaction is the activation energy. Look from here. Okay, there are 4 factors which affect the rate of reaction: concentration of reactant, temperature, particle size, presence of catalyst. Concentration. If the concentration of the reactant increase, rate of reaction increased. Concentration. If the concentration of reactant increase, the rate of reaction, particles, small particles crowded, therefore greater particles colliding. Look, how many particles? 1 mole particles, 1 mole hydrochloric acid particles. The concentration is more concentration, 3 mole, 9 mole. Here is the most highest concentration. Concentration is highest concentration. Here is 1 mole, lowest concentration, more concentration, most concentration, more. Okay, when concentration বুঝি নাই, প্রত্যুষের কি হয়েছে? আচ্ছা, দেখে প্রত্যুষে শব্দ করে বের করবো। আচ্ছা, এখানে দেখো কনসেন্ট্রেশন কি বাড়তেছে, বেশি কনসেন্ট্রেশন এর কি হয় এটা দেখো। 1 মোল, কয়টা মোল আছে? 6টা আছে। এখানে কনসেন্ট্রেশন বাড়তেছে, হ্যাঁ 9 মোল। তো ইফ দ্য কনসেন্ট্রেশন অফ দ্য রিঅ্যাক্টেন্ট ইজ ইনক্রিজড, Like this one is concentration 1 mole, then 3 mole, 9 mole. Concentration increases left to right. The reactant particles become more. Reactant particles becomes more particles. If the concentration increase, more particles. Yeah, what is this? এটা শেষ হয় নাই তো, ভিডিওটা পজ করতাম আমি, যেটা দেখতেছো তো? হ্যাঁ আচ্ছা, if the concentration of the reactant is increased, therefore greater chance of particles colliding. So rate of reaction increases. We can conclude the rate of reaction between concentration of reactant proportional rate of reaction. That um, concentration বাড়লে reactants বাড়ে. The highest concentration, high temperature. Temperature is another factor. On a substance, if heated, the particles more quickly, they more quickly kinetic energy. Therefore, particles collide more often. So rate of reaction increases if temperature is increases. Same with concentration. Temperatures proportional rate of reaction. That means temperature increases, rate of reaction increases. Like this, rate of reaction increases when temperature increases. Particle size. Particle size increases with more particle size increases, reaction increases. Smaller reactant provide greater surface areas, which increase the chance of particles collision. Particle surface area বাড়লে কি reactants is increased, so rate of reaction increases. More particles are exposed to the other reactants, increasing rate of reaction. Presence of catalyst. Catalyst also increases rate of reaction. Catalyst like enzyme is a catalyst, change the rate of reaction. The increased rate of reaction, alternating orientation of reactants. এই স্টপ, কে এটা করে? আপনার শব্দে কানে ঢুকে আসে। Okay, what is rate of reaction? কে শব্দ করে? নাই তো দেখি এখন। Fabi, Taiba, Mahfuza, Wakia, Pottush. এই ফাবিতে গেছে দেখো, রিমুভ ফাবি, শেষ আউট। Okay, I have removed him. Okay, I have removed Fabi. Yes. Look, this is he's not able to join again. Okay, evaluation. Okay, here I should. Okay, can you say what are the factor affecting on the rate of reaction? What are the factor? Okay, evaluation. What is rate of reaction? What is rate of reaction? Give my answer. What is rate of reaction? Hello? Are you listening me, students? Now mute, unmute and give me my question answer. What is rate of reaction? Hello student, are you listening me? Give my answer. Give my question answer. What is rate of reaction? The amount of reactant used per unit time is rate of reaction, or amount of product is formed per unit time is called rate of reaction. Hello Jarif, are you listening me? Hello Jarif, are you listening me? Jarif, are you listening me? Give my question answer. What is rate of reaction? Okay, what is rate of reaction? What is rate of reaction? আবার এই যে আরেকটা। Okay, what is rate of reaction? পাও না নি একটা? Okay, the amount of reactant is used per unit time is called rate of reaction, or amount of product is formed per unit time is the rate of reaction. Okay, 40 cubic centimeter hydrogen gas is produced in 5 minutes. Calculate the rate of reaction. In minutes. হ্যাঁ আচ্ছা এটা কত, এটার পরেরটা কোয়েশ্চেন আনসার কত? 40 cubic centimeter of hydrogen gas is produced in 5 minutes. Calculate the rate of reaction. আচ্ছা এটা মিনিটস এর থাক টাইমটা। What is the rate of reaction? এই এখানে কত গ্যাস কতটুক ইউজ হয়েছে, প্রডিউস করছে? 40, টাইম হচ্ছে 5 minutes. 40 divided by 5. What is the answer? Rate of reaction. Rate of reaction is 40 cubic centimeter of hydrogen gas is produced and time is 5 minutes. 5 minutes. So rate of reaction is 8 cubic centimeter per minute. You can second or convert. If you under second, 60 300 second. So now I minute 8 cubic centimeter per minute. Okay, now final question. Okay, what are the factors affecting on rate of reaction? What are the factors affecting on rate of reaction? We have seen just we have seen how many factors? How many factors affect on rate of reaction? Concentration. Number one is concentration. If concentration increase of the reactant, concentration increase, rate of reaction increases. Temperature, particle size, catalyst. Okay, there are four factors affect on rate of reaction. Concentration of reactants, temperature, particle size of reactants, and uh, finally is catalyst. Four. Thank you for joining the class. Thank you.